Hey guys, today we are trying out a new builder gel from Sally Beauty. This is the Kiara Sky Hema-Free Builder Gel, and I'm going to show you guys how I applied it right over my natural nails. This is where I'm starting from. I did already remove my cuticles using the Blue Cross cuticle remover. You can also push them back, you can cut them off. Really just make sure you get those off of your nail plate. And then I'm gonna go ahead and remove the shine from my natural nails. To do this, I'm using the Tropical Shine nail file in the 220 grit. And basically, I'm just gonna go in a circular motion across and around my nail to rough up that surface. This is basically gonna give the product something to adhere to. So really make sure you get around your cuticle area and then the sidewalls of your nail, because that's usually where a product likes to lift and sort of pop off. This is also a great time to file and shape your nails. I actually just cut mine down. They were so long, so they're pretty much the shape that I wanted. I just took the file and ran it across my free edge just to kind of sharpen up the shape a little bit, and then I repeated this on all of my nails. Next, you want to use the ASP 2-in-1 Dehydrator and Cleansing Wipe. I really love this stuff. This is basically going to get rid of any oils that are on your nails, and again, make sure that product actually sticks and lasts onto your nail. So when I use this, I like to use a makeup sponge and just pour that on and wipe my nails off. You can also use a lint-free wipe, but I like using these. Once you're done with your nail prep, we're going to go right into using the product. The shade I chose is called One of a Kind. This was actually so hard because all the shades are just really pretty neutrals with that sheer color to it. So it really just came down to the undertone that I wanted. And with this color, it has more of that mauve-y brown undertone, which I absolutely love, because sometimes I feel like with the sheer shades, they get too kind of creamy almost, and I wanted it to be a nude for my skin tone. So all that to say, really like it. And basically what I'm doing here, I'm just gonna apply a really thin coat, and this is gonna act as my base coat. And then I cured that for 30 seconds. The reason I'm saying 30 to 60 seconds is because it really depends on how you're applying your coats and what lamp you're using, what product. So that's a good range. If you don't know at all, just do 60 seconds. Then I'm gonna go in and apply another pretty thin coat here. This is gonna be my slip layer. So basically, I'm going to use this to try to help level out the product onto my nail. So apply a thin layer of product, and then I'm going to re-dip my brush and get a good amount of that builder gel on there. So this is where I'm going to start to build my nail. And basically, you don't want to just paint it on like you normally would. Instead, I'm gonna bounce my brush starting around my cuticle area and just bounce it down my nail. So that's how I can get the product to apply in this thicker consistency, versus if you're trying to just constantly drag it, you're not going to be able to build it up. And that's really the main reason behind builder gel. It's a thicker consistency of regular gel, and it's just going to give your natural nail even more strength. So once I basically work that product down, then I'll kind of go back and gently start pulling it towards the sides of my nail, towards the cuticle a little bit, just to try to even it out. And it's going to start doing that on its own too, just because with builder gels, they will start to level out naturally. So I'm going to do that a little bit. And then once I'm happy with that, I am going to flip my nail over. This is just going to continue to help make sure everything's leveled out, so it just pulls everything to the middle, because that's where you want the most strength. So I'm gonna flip that over. I do hold it upside down for, I want to say 10 seconds, 20 seconds. You can't hold it too long. I just kind of hold it, and then I flip it back over, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. When it comes to builder gel, you really do have the control of how thick or thin you want to make your nails. So originally I was going to do that same exact thing where I start with a thin coat and then build up my nail a little bit more. But honestly, I was happy with the thickness. So if you are somebody you're like, no, I really want to build the middle of my nail, make it stronger, go ahead and do another thicker coat. But after I applied this thin coat, I was like, honestly, I really like this. So I left it as it was, and I just went ahead, capped the tip by sliding the sliding the brush across my free edge, and then I'm going to cure that again underneath my lamp. After curing, we are already on the last step, you guys. I feel like builder gel is one of those products. It may seem hard, but it's really not. I think it's pretty easy to get the hang of. I'm still newer to builder gel. I think I've done it maybe 4 or 5 times now, and I really like it. So I'm just going to finish off here with a top coat. You can pick any top coat that works for you, and then you're going to cure that one last time. And here is the final look. I love this. I love natural nails with a little bit of something. It looks so clean, and I just love this color. I think that is my favorite part about this whole product, is this color. it is just gorgeous. So I hope this video was helpful. Everything I use will be linked down below. Thank you again to Sally Beauty for working with me on this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!